from an international law perspective, could certain forms of support for an armed group like M23 that is committing war crimes expose individuals to criminal liability in your view?
So I think even, beyond questions of, the ICC and international law, I think we need to understand that if I am violating sanctions law by supporting a sanctioned group financially, I may expose myself to individual criminal liability. So I would, I think that's something that people should be aware of, very much aware of. Secondly, it's true that, the ICC has an investigation in Eastern DRC. So theoretically, the level of support, if you are providing a certain level of support to crimes, you could theoretically fall within the jurisdiction of a court, perhaps by aiding and abetting a particular crime. But I think what I would say at the broadest level is, if you are providing support, financial support in particular, to M23 today, you are exposing yourself potentially to liability at different levels: criminal, civil, domestic, and international. To put it bluntly, it's really not a good idea.
Not a good idea.
And I think that listeners should understand, regardless of your politics, that you are entering into a dangerous legal zone if you are providing support to a group that is widely sanctioned, like M23 is.
I think it's important for these supporters of armed groups that commit crimes against humanity to understand the consequences that this support can come with. So it's very dangerous, and also on a moral ground, you should not do that as a human being.
Absolutely. Absolutely.